Tonali, integrated security systems for protected areas at high risk. Tonali is located in the town of Arluno, about 20 kilometers from Milano. The company was founded in 1938 for the construction of glass facades for modern buildings. In the late 1950s, Tonali was the first to install a bulletproof glass protection for the teller windows in a bank. Again, near the end of the 70s, the company installed the first automatic interblocking security door for the entrance to banks. Many times, our security systems have prevented bank robberies and identified the perpetrators. Because of increased present-day risks, such as terrorism, the company has developed access control systems for buildings, as well as surveillance capabilities for protected areas. Access control, the management of exit and entrance to protected areas. Tonali provides a range of solutions for diverse needs, including a series of turnstiles and automatic doors for the control of spaces with a high flux of movement that interface with any other control system for exits and entrances, as in airports, train stations, ports, public utilities, service centers, and other public places. Assembly and electric wiring, protective structures, unbreakable glass, cabins with interblocking doors, with ample glass structures and control systems for the transit of people. Biometric caveaux, used in particular in the caveau areas of post offices, with access granted only to authorized personnel registered on the biometric system DBIS. There is the K-series, protected cabins of the EM24K and the Tonda Light K, the secure sliding doors, and the revolving doors of the Universe series. All models can be equipped with diverse control systems, as, for example, metal detectors and biometric and badge readers, and the assembly line of access control filters. The Universe C cabin is designed for access control. Passing a badge in the vicinity of the sensor facilitates the rapid passage of people without interruption of the flow of movement. An unauthorized person is immediately blocked by another automatic door and then vocally invited to turn back. In this same cabin, it's possible to install a high-resolution video camera above the cabin to ensure the passage of one person at a time. If two people attempt to enter at the same time, the passage is denied. The Tonda K light cabin, with ample glass structures, is equipped with a metal detector and a video for facial visualization. The video image is automatically stored. If the person refuses to look into the camera, access is then denied. A demi-duetto cabin is a semicircular cabin. Inside is a technological column with a monitor and a high-resolution video camera. This cabin permits access only to those who fully face the camera without a disguise or otherwise camouflaging their face. The systems are designed and configured with full respect for the laws regarding the rights of privacy. Tonali designs demi-self glass cylindrical blocks with automatic doors for the protection of, for example, ATM bank services, crowded areas such as airports, train stations, and commercial centers. The access is allowed with bank or credit cards and refused whenever occupied by another person. Portale Compact Plus, automatic entrance and exits with sliding lateral doors for better use of space.
Stop! L'accesso è vietato.
In the version we see, it is utilized to direct transit in one single direction. The series of turnstiles and automatic passage points completes the collection. Milos, designed for external environments with possibilities for ticketing. Paros 118, manual and motorized with automatic backup in the case of an electric blackout or evacuation procedures. Applications of transit control systems through biometric DBIS, licensed and produced by Tonali, based on the principle of optic recognition of the geometric form of two fingers on a hand. Paros H-Easy is a motorized model for the management of the transit of disabled people. Delo, a model typically used, for example, in underground subway stations. Vehicle access control is attained with the GMZ car system, which reads the license plate of the vehicles. All control systems can be managed with Tonali GMZ Omni Access software. With LAN networks, it can be easily inserted into existing buildings without rewiring. The WebST video surveillance system is often integrated with a control system for either persons or vehicles to manage transit at different security levels. ThermoGuard, one of the latest video surveillance systems, uses thermal video cameras capable of sending images from a distance of any intrusion, even in the dark of night, without the need for illumination. Tonali Bus is the foremost solution in the sector of building automation. The system provides all the services of building automation currently required in public, private, home, or industrial buildings. This is the building management that runs the security as well as all other technological systems. Tonali has developed products and solutions for the security and surveillance of diverse areas, integrating the development of new communication security systems in broadband with security application and the management of emergencies, to resolve communication problems where it technically or economically is not possible to use traditional wiring. An equipped vehicle with satellite broadband communication within a range of 5 kilometers that allows for coordinated action in emergency situations with video surveillance of the operations. A mobile unit equipped and transportable on existing vehicles with an onboard meteorological pole, systems to communicate with the external world in Wi-Fi, VoIP, radio, or Internet, and the capability to detect incendiary activity. Fixed shelters constructed for the fiber optic network node in the province of Trento, Italy, with apparatus for fiber optic facing and powering.
Tonali S.p.a. ha un proprio call center.
Tonali has a call center that can manage more than 5,000 installations, plus an assistance net that covers all of Italian national territory to satisfy the needs of its customers. Tonali has a worldwide presence with authorized dealers that also manage maintenance.